Hey there, so it's Kaz and I'm here with another Facebook ads case study. Now this is a particularly interesting one because they were selling an online digital product, in this case being an online course in the niche market in the USA. They had relatively good success prior to iOS updates, but after those their numbers had just plummeted and they weren't really sure how to handle things. Plus they needed to start on a low budget so that they can then reinvest profits, which I'm sure is probably quite common for a lot of businesses kind of starting off initially. So this is literally just the campaign results in the first 4 weeks of running it. We've managed to hit the ground running and have already started to scale just after the initial 4 weeks. So to give you some interesting numbers, in total they've spent just under 1k. They've earned back 5k in return. So for every $1 they spent, they got what, $5 back. So obviously if you run the numbers, if they spend less than $1,000 but they've got $5,000 back, and it's been a really successful campaign in just the first 4 weeks. So that's ultimately kind of what we're pushing to get done for these guys. Now if you'd like to make that your campaign, we can absolutely do that. Just reach out to us below and we'll take it from there. Cheers.